I love bees. They're important to my nature-friendly yard and to yours too. There are about 20,000 species of bees in the world. And to support more native bees in your yard, you could build a Deluxe Bee Hotel for them to hibernate in. I'm going to show you 5 steps to build a Deluxe Bee Hotel. And I've got a free PDF in the description and the first comment below, so you don't have to write this down. First up, for materials, you're going to need 6 logs about 2 to 4 inches in diameter. You're going to want these logs to be 6 inches to 2.5 feet long. Also, get some sandpaper so that you can smooth out the holes so there's no splinters that may injure the bees as they fly in and out. Next up is the tools you'll need. So you'll need a saw if you don't find logs that are already of the right length. You may need a vise to hold the logs steady while you cut or drill them, or you could have a friend help you. You will also need a drill to drill holes into the logs. The drill bits you're going to use are about 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch around, so that the holes are big enough for a big variety of bees to fly into. Next is preparation. So first off, be very careful. Think of safety first. So you're going to want to use a sturdy work table, one that you could attach a vise to if you don't have a person with you who can hold the logs steady while you saw or drill them. You should also wear eye protection just to make sure you are safe and nothing flies into your eyes. Step 1 is choosing your logs. You're going to choose logs that are natural and untreated. You're going to choose logs that will stack fairly evenly because you're going to end up stacking them in a pyramid shape. If you have found logs that are appropriate size and shape, they will be about 6 inches long up to 2.5 feet long. They're going to be 2 inches to 4 inches in diameter. Then you are ready to go. If you need to cut your logs, you're going to go ahead and do that by safely securing them to your work table and cutting them with a saw. I was lucky enough, my dad had some hemlocks he had cut away to prevent forest fires. They were growing too low to the ground, so he let me use those. So step 2 is to drill the holes in the logs. You are going to want to probably do about 4 or 5 down one side. You can also choose to drill a hole in the end. Again, make sure you have someone holding the logs securely while you drill them. Your holes are going to be about 1/2 inch around. That's a big drill bit, so you need someone to hold the log securely while you drill them. And you want to go most of the way through the log, but not all the way through. You want a one direction hole that does not go all the way through the log. Step 3 is to remove any splinters from the holes. You can use sandpaper to make them smooth, just to make sure there's nothing in the way to harm the bees as they fly in and out. Step 4 is to place the logs. So you're going to want to put them in a spot in your yard that will be undisturbed, somewhere that you are okay where things are growing up around them and dying back over them in the fall. This all improves the ambiance of the Deluxe Bee Hotel. So what you're going to do to stack them is put 3 of them along the bottom for your base layer. Next, you're going to stack 2 on top of that, and then one at the top. So you have logs 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and log 6 on top. As you're placing them, you're going to be careful to turn the holes to the inside of the stack for the most part. So your holes will be on the interior of the stack. So the bees will go down the tunnels of the logs, find a hole, and then turn in to hibernate in there. Step 5 is to leave the logs alone. You've made your Deluxe Bee Hotel from natural, untreated wood. It's not closed or sealed in any way. There's no glue. So all that's left to do is to let the logs rot over time. You'll leave them there to return to the earth. And then when it comes time, you can build a new Deluxe Bee Hotel. And you could either put it in the same spot if the logs have completely rotted away, or you can find another spot in the garden, put your new Deluxe Bee Hotel. Now you know all about how to make a Deluxe Bee Hotel for your yard to invite more native species of bees to live and stay. Next, go to the description or the first pinned comment below and follow the link to get my free step-by-step PDF so that you have all the instructions and guidelines for making your own Deluxe Bee Hotel. May all your weeds be wildflowers. Okay, bye!